Welcome to the video, where we delve into a fascinating problem regarding string ordering in Rust. The problem at hand revolves around the default implementation of the word trait for str in Rust. We're curious to understand whether Rust sorts strings character by character or by raw byte value. Furthermore, we also want to uncover if Rust specifies a particular locale when sorting strings. These questions are essential in understanding how Rust handles string comparisons and ordering. Now, let's explore the intricacies of this intriguing problem. Let's jump straight into the solution for the problem. By examining the source code provided in the Rust documentation, we discover that the implementation of the word trait for str is quite straightforward. The code snippet reveals that Rust considers a str as merely a slice of bytes when it comes to equality and ordering. The comparison function, CMP, operates by comparing the byte slices of the two strings, thus treating them at a raw byte level. This insight sheds light on how Rust fundamentally handles the ordering of strings, focusing on byte-level comparisons rather than character-level intricacies. In summary, we've unraveled the mystery behind how Rust orders strings, learning that it treats str as byte slices for comparison. This approach ensures a consistent and efficient method for determining the order of strings in Rust. We hope you found this exploration into Rust's string ordering mechanisms enlightening. Remember to subscribe for more exciting tech insights like this video if you enjoyed it, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any other puzzling problems you'd like us to tackle next. Until next time, happy coding!